Okay, now let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions and you can give me brief answers in 4-5 sentences. Be confident, be energetic, be excited, feel good about the question and answer in a good way.
No problem.
Let's take a start. Do you make plans every day?
Yes, I do. Because actually by profession I'm an electrical engineer. So planning my stuff, my daily stuff is a part of my job. So yeah, I sort out my all the activities on daily basis and make my plans for the daily basis.
Okay, that's good. So you can do one thing, you can add one phrase to your answer at the end when you conclude your answer. So you can say, to answer your question, yes, I plan every day or I plan everything to answer your question. You can use it 1 to 2 times.
Okay.
Not every time, but 1 to 2 times you can use it. Okay. Now let's go on. Are you good at managing your time?
Yeah, I think so. Because as I told you, I'm an electrical engineer and my employer didn't terminate me yet. So yeah, I think I'm very good in managing my time.
I'm very good at
Managing my time.
Okay.
So at the start of the day, I write down all my activities, my daily activities, and at the end of the day, I strike out all those activities to keep me on the time, on the record, and yeah, I think I'm pretty good in.
Okay, so
managing
instead
my
of
time.
yeah, it's a good idea to use yes, because yeah is informal, yes is formal.
Okay.
Although it's not going to make huge difference, but still it's a good idea. What is the latest plan you made?
Actually, as I told you, I'm not working in Pakistan. I'm working abroad. I'm working in Africa. There's a country named Angola. So I'm working there. So the latest plan is when I was coming back from my rotation to Pakistan. So that journey was my latest plan. So because the weather there in Africa is because there's winter there. So I had to take my jacket and those kind of stuff, and it's summer here in Lahore, so I have to manage all those stuff. And then because of this COVID, I have to go for PCR test earlier than my flight.
I had to. All right, that's fine. Now your answer is getting longer. It's better to focus only one plan and then describe that in 4-5 good sentences, and that's it.
Okay.
Right? Now let's go on. What is the hardest part about making plans?
The hardest part of making plan is, I think, managing your resources. Whenever you are going to plan something and you put some responsibility, give you someone else and responsibility, and when he was not able to complete those tasks,
but he is not able to use present tense for that.
Yeah, okay.
So
he is not able to complete his job, then that is the problematic situation. So you have to go there, you have to complete that task, so keep you on the time, on your record. So yeah, the most hardest part is to manage your resources.
Okay, now most and hardest cannot come together.
Okay.
Because hardest is the 3rd degree, so with most we don't use it.
Okay.
I tell you, you are answering well, but in fact some of your answers are very long. And in some of your answers you are adding irrelevant detail which is not required.
Okay.
So I advise you to keep it short, precise, according to the question, and 4-5 sentences are enough. And maintain good eye contact with the examiner. When you have a feeling or examiner says finish this, then you should finish and move. Let the examiner ask the next question. Okay. Overall answers are good, but at times when you are explaining and then explaining that thing and then explaining that thing, you go away from the main question.
I get it.
Okay,
I get it.
that's what you need to focus. All right, now it's your turn. Can you give him the mic, please? Your topic is about festivals, and my first question is, what is your favorite festival and why?
My favorite festival is Eid al-Fitr. Because this festival has great importance for all the Muslims, and all Muslims enjoy this festival after the period of Ramadan. And this festival also have a great importance.
This festival has great religious importance
for all the Muslims.
Okay, that's good. How do you celebrate this festival?
I do lot of things on Eid. I buy new clothes, clean my house, and also decorate my house with beautiful flowers. On the Eid day, I also distribute sweets and exchange gifts with my friend. In the evening, we have get together with friends where I usually enjoy dance, party, etc.
Okay, what is the most popular festival in your country?
I think the most popular festival in my country is Eid, because this festival has a great religious importance for all the Muslims, and all the Muslims enjoy this festival after the period of Ramadan with great joy and happiness.
Okay, do you like Western festivals?
Yes, I do like Christmas Day. I like to wear red clothes on the day of Christmas. I also go to the church with some of my friends, where I enjoy the cake, Christmas cake.
Okay, that's good. Just overcome this and speak with confidence.
Okay.
And your voice should be energetic, not lazy voice.
Okay.
Although there's no marking criteria for that, but still, you know, examiner is a human being. So you're going to influence that examiner. So if you look into the eyes and speak confidently, enthusiastically, that will be better, right? So overall it's good, but just be active, alert, and you can make it even better, right? Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.